Okay, so we're going to start with S&P 500, and here's my chart. You're going to be able to have a look at what I've been analyzing and what I've been looking at for the last few days. What I said on Monday was on my Sunday call with my community members, I drew out a scenario that would be a very, very nice distribution scenario if there was a distribution. So it would be a very, very choppy market with fake outs. And funnily enough, if you go to the previous video, which is the Monday video, you're going to see that I drew this and it's following it to the T. So we're getting this initial resistance on the midpoint of the channel again. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen. What I am saying is that it would be something similar to this if we are going to get distribution. So it would be this fake breakout, which we've seen. And I'm not saying it's a fake breakout because I've traded it myself, and a lot of stocks that I've traded are doing really well. I'll be explaining that a little bit later. It would be something where it's a failed breakout. If I'm explaining it correctly, failed breakout comes back down, right? Liquidates a few shorter term traders, comes back down, tries to reaccumulate here, gives you another breakout, gives you potential wedge where the market goes, okay, now we have to get a move, tries again, maybe does a little bit higher, a little bit of a higher move here, and then it just randomly, there's a key event in December or whatever period it might be, and then we get a dump or some sort of sell off of around 5 to 6%, which I'm still kind of waiting for, to be honest, to around 6.4, 6.3, depending on how quickly it sells off. And then we rebuild again for the continuation into the new year. That's something that I'm watching out for, mainly because we've seen something similar in the November, December period of last year. So something like that could happen. Now, so far, it's looking pretty good. And if I kind of remove this drawing, so we remove the drawing, it's looking pretty good. We've gone back into a trend. We're above all the key EMAs. We've built some momentum, and we are looking like we can go to K very, very soon. We've seen some big players like Nvidia, which we bought in my community, gain around 6% yesterday, and it's gaining momentum. So that will be good for the indices, especially, as well as some other larger caps like Tesla and Amazon that have been doing okay. As you can see here, nice move here, and this was all driven by news.